Hello there. Now in this video I'm going to show you how to do a simple double exposure, and as I've said in other videos you may have watched, there are different ways of doing this. This is just a simple way that I taught myself. Again, you can do this more advanced, but we're just starting off with real basics. Now we're sticking with this image just for the moment of Barack Obama. What I've done slightly differently is I've just actually changed it so it's a bit darker. We're going for a slightly more moody, darker effect with these photos than we have done with the previous one. You can obviously alter your brightness and contrast by clicking on this one here, and you can change it whether you want it lighter or darker. So we're going to go for a little bit darker with this one and a slightly higher contrast, but not too much. Okay, so again, we're going to just flatten that image just to make sure it's all one photograph. Now, the other image I've got here is of some slightly dark, moody flowers. So we've got these. I've made it so these images are pretty much the same sort of size. So using our move tool, we're going to pop that on top, and we're going to put it up to the top again because we've got that issue across the top with his cut off of head from the way the photograph's been zoomed in. And then what we're going to do is just going to crop it so they're exactly the same, and then we've got that there. So we've got our two layers here. Now, what I would like you to do then is go over to the opacity tool. And what this is going to do, like we've seen in a previous video, is we're going to be able to see some of the background image through into the foreground image. Now, you can do this however you like. I'm not going to do it too much, so we still see a little bit of him as well. Now, the reason I've chosen to do this is I really like the double exposure effect. So if you just have a little look on Google, you can get loads and loads of ideas. Too many to choose one individual artist. But if you scroll along, you can see there's many different ways of doing this. And we're sticking in the previous video with the idea of the Kehinde Wiley Obama portrait, where there was the background of the flowers with the former president. So what we need to do now is we can either leave it as it is, where we've got some of the image showing on the sides here, but the other way of doing it is again going back to our quick selection tool. Now what we can then start to do is take away from some of the background and making it white. So we're actually just having the background inside of his head. So what I would do now is I would flatten my image there, and then I'm actually selecting the areas that I want to be white. Now, if I press on delete, I can then obviously decide how I want it to look. So I'm just going to click on white there. And what you can then see is when I press that, we start to fill in gaps. They're all turning white. Now, sometimes you get this issue here where it copies onto the actual part of the person. So what you can obviously do is do this bit by hand. What I would suggest is trying it bit by bit. Can zoom in a little bit, and then you can do section by section, and then the other option is actually just to paint it on. Okay, so we've selected that there. What I would then do, we go on to the rubber here, we can actually do it by hand. Now obviously you can make this much neater later on, and obviously you can change it to make it smaller, so you can get better details and zoom in and do it like this. Now, in terms of doing this incredibly patiently, I would suggest not doing it in a rush. I'm just doing this to show you what you can do. Now, obviously, what we will aim for is much neater than that. And you can see there, got our white background, and then obviously the actual flowers shown through his face. Now what we would then do is go around very neatly and do the edges, or alternatively, you could just leave it as you did, where you'd have the flowers in the background. There you have a very simple double exposure piece.